Ever, and welcome to World Scholar Hub, your ultimate guide to studying abroad. Are you dreaming of getting a top-notch education in another country, but worried about the cost? Well, you've come to the right place. Here, we break down everything you need to know about securing global scholarships and finding incredible fully funded programs. From the USA and Canada to the UK, Germany, and beyond, we cover a world of opportunities. We provide clear, step-by-step guides to help you navigate the entire application process, making your international study dreams a reality. We believe that financial barriers shouldn't stop you from achieving your goals. So, get ready to explore the world and unlock your future. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a life-changing opportunity. Let's start this journey together.